The three most important days in a guy's life. Day he gets married, day his kids are born, and the day new Beard Struggle product arrives at his door. We have new Beard Struggle. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm super excited. Let's see what we got in here. Ignore the massively large blade, it's fine. So the Beard Struggle is rolling out some new packaging style, new products. I am super excited. Skull, brother, welcome to the family. We have some Viking Storm Beard Wash, followed along with the conditioner. These packagings look awesome. Then of course you just pop it open real quick, pull it out, boom. That's what it looks like. Beautiful stuff. Absolutely, probably one of my favorite products from the Beard Struggle is the shampoo and conditioner. Oh, what is this? Oh, we got a new, whoa, this is the new product. Okay, so we have the beard oil sample kit. Well, it looks like now there is the beard balm sample kit. Let's check this out. You literally get to see it before I do. Whoa, okay. That is sick. Yeah, now you get the beard balm sample kits, and now instead of having to pick between which scents you want to try, you get 8 of them right here, right now. That is super dope. That's exciting. Look at a cute little guy. That is awesome. Smells good. That's sick. Okay, that's cool. I'm definitely gonna need more of those because a lot of it's just for displays. And then of course we have our normal size beard balm. That's the scruff balm. Then we have the beard balm on top of it. And then we have, what we got here? We got our night liquid elixir. Where's our day? There's our day liquid tonic. Then this is the mineral beard mask. I've yet to use this just because honestly I don't know how. We're gonna figure it out soon though. What does this smell like? What you smell like? Ooh, that's got a very, what's I'm looking for, like minty smell. I'm gonna figure out how to use that because that'd be fun. And then lastly we have our Viking Savage brush, followed by the Model Viking beard comb. So that is everything we got today in our cool unboxing, with our new product being the awesome beard balm sample kit. Get yours today at thebeardstruggle.com. Use code JAKE for 20% off your entire purchase. And huge shout out to the Beard Struggle, hooking me up with some more awesome beard care product, keeping my beard looking amazing. We'll see you in the next one.